Money has no utility to me. Time has utility to me, but money in terms of making trips or doing.
Earn $100 in 5 minutes. Are you looking for the best ways to make $100 in 5 minutes? This video shows you some realistic ways to make it happen. So let's dive into it. And yes, if you want more money making videos, subscribe to 33Cube now. Here we begin. Get paid to play games online. Do you waste hours on your phone when you have nothing better to do? Kashi and Misplay will reward you for doing so. Kashi is a legitimate Android application. It is completely free and deposits funds into your PayPal account. Discover free games, complete missions, and win coins to exchange for gift cards. All you have to do is play and you'll be rewarded with free money. The more you play, the more you earn. It's 100% worth checking out with over 5 million downloads and 113,000 4+ reviews. Misplay is yet another fantastic Android app that rewards you for playing. It has over 280,000 reviews on Google Play with an average rating of 4 stars. Download the app if you want to start earning money right away. Put a game on your list. You will begin earning units after 2 to 5 minutes of play. Share the game feedback with developers to earn extra units. Developers will use your feedback to improve the games before officially releasing them on the market. Once you have accumulated sufficient units, you can redeem them for free gift cards such as Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Google Play, iTunes, PlayStation gift cards, and others. Of course, you will only become wealthy by using this app, but it's a great way to supplement your income by doing something you already do. Make money online teaching. You're probably from the United States and speak English well. That's all it takes to learn how to make $100 quickly by teaching English. We have yet to go this route, but we have done our research and found that Education First and VipKid are the two best companies that pay well and are legitimate. Here are the specifics. Education First from the US and UK. If you are fluent in English, you can work as an online tutor for Education First. Teachers with EF benefit from setting their own work-from-home schedule, bringing their own teaching style to a custom-designed classroom, and receiving weekly support and payment from local, US, and UK-based offices. In addition, teachers with EF can make up to $20 an hour. VipKid, another teaching opportunity. You can teach English to children through this company. VipKid is China's leading online English teaching platform. The company has rapidly expanded, winning #1 on Forbes magazine's Best Work-from-Home Companies list, among many other accolades. VipKid requires thousands of work-from-home teachers to teach English to Chinese children online. This is a fantastic work-from-home opportunity, and users do not need to know any foreign languages or have formal teaching experience. Working on the VipKid platform can earn you $22 an hour. Get paid to watch videos online. Inbox Dollars is a cool website where you can earn money by taking surveys. You can also earn money by watching movie trailers, TV shows, celebrity videos, breaking news, and other videos. You also receive a $5 bonus just for signing up. But how exactly does it work? That's simple. Simply visit inboxdollars.com and sign in to see the videos available for viewing. Then you'll use your phone and laptop to watch videos. Inbox Dollars rewards you for watching them with free cash or gift cards to popular retailers. You must watch all the shows in a specific playlist, so get your popcorn ready. Before you begin watching, you can see how long the playlist lasts. Playlists range from a few minutes to about a half hour. You can earn more than $200 a month by watching these videos. Take part in the research. This is the place to start if you want to make $100 or more in a day without much experience or skill. You can express your thoughts in focus groups. Companies are looking for qualified people to participate in their research studies, and you don't have to be a professional to do so. User Reviews is a legitimate company that provides qualified research respondents to anyone who responds to them, and they are now recruiting people from all over the world. Pay ranges from $75 for 30 minutes to $450 for 1-hour studies. User Interviews has numerous studies on various topics, including technology, food, consumer goods, family, software, hobbies, pets, sports, transportation, beauty, social media, music, and so on. Pinterest, Spotify, Vistaprint, Wayfair, Thumbtack, and others are among their many clients. Here's how it works. First, apply to participate in studies that benefit you. The study's researcher or sponsor reviews the responses and will send invitations to the best fitting respondent. If you are invited to participate, select a time that works for you made by the researcher. After completing the study, you can be paid via PayPal, cash, or Amazon gift cards. Make money on Instagram. Still wondering how to make $100 quickly? Instagram is currently one of the most popular social media platforms. Instagram has over 1 billion monthly users, providing a large audience to businesses and anyone looking to make money on the platform. According to Instagram, there are over 25 million business profiles on Instagram worldwide. Over 200 million Instagrammers visit one of these business profiles every single day. Making money is very possible whether you run a brick-and-mortar business, an e-commerce website, or a blog. Or if you're just looking for a way to capitalize on the many opportunities available on Instagram.
Become a YouTuber. YouTube is just one of many places that you can go to become an internet sensation and a millionaire. But one question keeps coming up. How much does YouTube pay per view? This question is useful even if your YouTube channel has surpassed 100,000 subscribers.
According to a recent report, Google pays out 68% of its AdSense revenue, which means for every $100 paid by an advertiser, Google pays the publisher $68. The actual rate an advertiser pays vary, typically from 10 cents to 30 cents a view, but average at around 18 cents per view. A YouTube channel can earn $18 per 100,000 ad views on average. This works out to around $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views. The next step. Becoming a YouTube sensation can pay off handsomely and become much more than a lucrative side hustle. Earn money by freelancing. How can you make $100 fast without paying anything? First, consider starting an online service-based freelance business. That may sound difficult, but with so many different websites to make it simple to sell your services, it isn't. Start with Fiverr if you're a beginner and Upwork if you're a pro. I used to do small jobs on Fiverr when I first started trying to make money online. I still get a few gigs on there, but I charge a higher rate now that my time is much more valuable. Remember, when making money online, you must decide how much time and effort you are willing to put in. You will only be successful with freelancing sites if you can get a strong work ethic and responsive customer service skills. This way, you will be able to get positive feedback. This will lead to more sales and you'll be able to raise your price and make even more money on these commission sites. Sites such as Fiverr and Upwork have over 120 categories. This means you should have no problem finding one that is relevant to your skill set. Steps to follow. With so many categories, you're sure to find some kind of service that you are able to provide. Even as a beginner, you can make money as a freelancer through transcription or social media management. If you have a specific artistic talent, such as music, voice acting, or character drawings, you can also do those in order to make money on commission. If you've ever wanted to make free money online, thanks to these beginner freelancing sites, now is your chance. It is easier than ever in the modern day to make money easily online. Start with these options, and you will be able to make $100 in a day very easily. Let us know your views on this topic in the comments below, and for more such money ideas, subscribe to 33Cube now.